Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. Isn't this weird? Look at how the light's shining. Must be the winter snow. That is so weird. Anyway, I'm outside on my porch and I'm getting a weird effect with the light, just the way it's hitting. But it works out good to show you my top. Here's another crochet top I made. It's kind of like a little apron. And these are nice for the summer, because in the summer I can throw this on, say if I'm outside and maybe I'm in my bathing suit with the water hose gardening, or wearing the summer top and I get company, because living on a busy street we get company a lot. I can just toss one of these types of tops on and feel comfortable sitting on the front porch and visiting, and feel a little bit more like I'm, you know, more presentable. It's so weird how the light is shining here. It tends to be black and white in upstate New York once the snow gets going. So anyway, here's the top I'm wearing, another crochet top, and like I said, you can have it up more if you want, but I just kind of wanted it kind of like just like fluffy, and just like a little toss on these little summer tops that I make, so that, like I said, in the summer if I'm gardening and it's super hot, it's a 90-degree day, and somebody pulls in the driveway and maybe for some reason, you know, I gotta talk to them right now, I can just grab a top and come out and have a glass of lemonade and feel more comfortable. Okay guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.